Here is the new USB hub for Ford CarPlay. We're going to take it out of here. I'm going to replace the one right here in the 2016 Flex. Opening the bag. I'll look at it briefly, but it shouldn't be too hard. It's got a bunch of tabs, 5, 2 on one side and 3 on the others. A little screwdriver. Slide it underneath the edge here and just pop this whole thing up. Just nice and gingerly along the edge. And then you see here, loose, and then we can just take the old module out, which I'm going to need 2 hands for. So now that it's out, I'm going to unplug the 2 cables. Little tab, you need to push that in and then it pulls out. That's the only tricky part on that one. Popping this out of the housing, you see that little tab there? I'm going to use a little screwdriver, push down on it, and it should pop right out. Just got the new one in. You just push those little tabs in when it's out, and then it pops out. You stick the new one in, and we're going to plug the 2 cables back in and then turn it on. Now it's back in, and we're going to turn the car on. Connected the other phone wirelessly, so we're going to plug in the lightning cable here. Oops. Here, and then we'll plug in lightning here, phone. Now it says allow link 3 while the iPhone is locked. Say allow. CarPlay is connected. There we go. Say agree, and it took all of 5 minutes and CarPlay's up.